welcome back to Little Miss Drop Stitch, and today's video I'm going to show you how to do a certain type of decrease. Okay, this is called knit two together, or if you're on the purl side it's called purl two together. It's nice and easy and it's my go-to decrease. I've knitted up to where I want to decrease, and this particular technique will involve the next 2 stitches. So what you want to do, if we're normally knitting, okay, we go from the front to the back of the stitch like that. For knit two together, you want to do that, but with the next 2 stitches. I would advise keeping your stitches either loose, taking a look at your tension, especially when you start, you can be quite tight. So what we're going to do is front to back, but both stitches. Using a larger needle can help as well. Okay, and then just knit it as normal. And the 2 stitches have come together. I use this on socks actually all the time. We'll do it again, next 2 stitches. Okay, front to back as normal. If they are a bit tight and you're struggling, you can kind of shimmy them through and at least, you know, get to that point where they're both in, and then you can sort out knitting them together. Fabulous. Now we know how to knit 2 together, let's go to the back of the work and show you how to purl 2 together. We've less stitches than we started with because we've just lost 2 with our decreasing examples for knit 2 together. Now we're on the purl side, purling up to where I want to decrease, and then, so normal purl would be in kind of a downwards diagonal fashion, front to the back of the stitch, but we're purling 2 together, so you want to go through both, then yarn round and complete the stitch. Let's do it one more time for you. And again, if your stitches are a bit tight and you're struggling, just get it to a point where they're both through, and then you can fix them in position. Let's take a look at the front and how those decreases actually look in your knitting. Our first lot of decreasing was here, okay? Those stitches merge into one, and then we knitted 2 together here as well. And then when we did the purl row, okay, that was here. So it's really nice and easy, not too visible either. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do give us a like, thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff so we can make more tutorials. Thank you and take care.